Carlton runs for Jamaica. In the little town of Nutmeg Valley, there lived a boy named Carlton. Carlton wasn't the fastest in his class. One of the boys lined up for a race at break time. He usually came puffing in at the back, clutching his side while the others laughed and cheered. But that didn't stop him. Carlton loved to run. He loved the feel of the breeze rushing past his face, the sound of feet thumping on the ground, and the excitement of a finish line waiting ahead. At home, Carlton covered his bedroom wall with pictures of Jamaican track legends. There was Merlin Ottey, Asafa Powell, Veronica Campbell-Brown, Usain Bolt, and Shelley Ann Fraser-Price. He read about them, watched their races, and whispered before bed, "One day I'll wear the green, gold, and black too." His mother noticed his passion. After one long evening of practice, she handed him a cold jelly and said, "Carlton, you may not be the fastest yet, but if you love it, keep at it. Hard work can carry you further than talent alone." So Carlton trained. At sunrise, while roosters still crowed, he ran laps around the football field. He practiced lifting his knees higher, pumping his arms stronger, and breathing steady. Day after day, he pushed himself. He wasn't the strongest, but he was the most determined. At school sports day, Carlton stood nervously at the starting line. Pop! Went the starter's whistle. He ran with all his might. He didn't win, but he didn't come last either. For the first time, Carlton felt himself moving up one place at a time. Afterward, his coach clapped him on the shoulder. "Carlton, you have the heart of a champion. Keep training and you'll make the team." That night, Carlton stared at the posters on his wall. "I will make it," he whispered, step by step. And step by step, he did. Through rain and sunshine, through sore feet and tired muscles, Carlton kept running. By the time he reached high school, his work paid off. He earned a spot on the track team. The roar of the crowd at Champs filled him with nerves, but also with fire. He ran his best times ever. From Champs came the trials, from trials came the call-ups, and soon, Carlton was no longer just a boy from Nutmeg Valley. He was a runner Jamaica could be proud of. One bright summer, he stood tall in the green, black, and gold at the World Championships, the Jamaican flag waving high. And when he finally reached the Olympic stage, heart pounding as the anthem played, Carlton thought of where it all began, of break time races, of Mama's encouragement, of posters on his wall, and of never giving up. He had done it. Carlton was now running not just for himself, but for all of Jamaica.